Clarification, we will start with the point of clarification kasi iba-iba po yung number of fatalities. Depende sa pahayagan na binabasa ninyo. May nagsasabing 11, may nagsasabi na 4. Point of clarification, ilan na po so far ang number of fatalities?
Yes po, ma'am. No? As of now, as of this moment mo, ma'am, no, we've been coordinating with the ground troops. And what we have, ma'am, is we have confirmed 4 deaths po na ngayon. And at the same time, 53 po yung injured. No? And out of these injured nasa hospitals, 7 na lang po, ma'am, yung nasa hospital as of now, and all the others po ay na-release naman po sila.
Na-discharge, okay. Ako, Colonel, ito po ang talagang gusto ko pong maliwanagan. Kung may confirmation na po talaga tayo ng mga dayuhan po, ang nasa likod po nitong pagbobomba kahapon po sa Mindanao State University, ano po ang update na po doon?
As of now, ma'am, we are still investigating on this particular incident, ma'am. No? We are looking into the yung pump signature that will confirm this, and at the same time we have also monitored and we're trying to validate ito pong yung informations that we received that there are ISIS claims as of now from this terror attack. No? And of course po, ma'am, no, we have been looking into the local terrorist group natin dito, itong mga Dawla Islamiyah, has been seeking for international recognition and for further funding, and they're resorting to this kind of actions or terror acts.
Okay.
Para lang sa kaalaman din, yung sinasabi po ni Colonel, actually inako na po ng Islamic State, yung mga militante po ng Islamic State. They have claimed responsibility para dito po sa pagsabog na ito sa Mindanao State University. So yung po, that's subject to confirmation pa rin kahit na inako na po nila sa, I think, sa Telegram account po nila, no?
Tama po yan, ma'am. Ano? Such informations, lalo na sa social media, kailangan po natin ng information and validation from our part, from the intelligence community po.
Yung pong meron iba-iba rin po kasi yung nakuha naming ulat. May nagsasabi po na improvised explosive device, so IED. Meron naman nagsasabing granada. Under investigation na yun o meron na pong factual na ulat?
As of this moment po, ma'am, no, medyo nagkakaroon pa po tayo ng coordination with the PNP counterparts, particularly pati rin po yung mga ating Army ground troops with their explosive ordnance and disposal. Still validating po itong bomb signature. Kaya po mahalaga po yung mga investigations na kinakandak na dito so that we could further validate kung sino po talaga yung mga behind this particular terror actions po.
Oo. Colonel, kasi nga, no, ito mainit na usapin, mga intel funds at lahat, no, dahil nga katatapos lang po ng budget hearing. Base po sa intel report po ninyo, meron ho ba kayong naamoy na merong ganitong pong pangyayari na gagawin o hindi po kayo nagulat na bigla po nagpasabog po kahapon po itong mga terorista po sa MSU?
Well, basically, ma'am, the intelligence cycle po is a process po, no? With informations gathered, marami po na tayong validations and evaluations po nangyayari before we could actually look into na validity of this particular information. Hindi naman po nagkulang ang ating armed forces on this part to include our intelligence community para matward po in this kind of incident. But definitely po, we're on top of the situation and we will put these particular groups behind bars.
Yung po nga sa pagkikipag-ugnayan po ng ating PNP, ano po ang nangyayari? Yung sealed off na po ba yung points of exit din palabas po ng Marawi?
Well, the PNP and with the press con yesterday and with the armed forces of the Philippines naman po, we're going to make sure that the areas will be secured and para wag po mabahala ang ating mga kababayan, lalo na po dito sa parte ng Marawi, sa Lanao del Sur. We will make sure po that there will be peace and order in the area.
So, Colonel, I just want to check, no, kung meron na po kayong mga nakuhang mga suspects, may mga CCTV ba around the area na meron na po kayo nakikita mga nakakahinalang pong nagmamadsid sa loob, within the premises of MSU po? Ano pong base po sa mga initial investigation nyo po ang nahanap nyo po that you can share with us?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you for that question. And yan po yung marami pong katanungan. No? Again po, ma'am, we would like to inform the public that it is already under investigation. And we don't want to preempt any informations na pwede po mag-leak sa atin kung sino po matukoy natin. Ito mga grupo na to, kung atang may lagay po natin na sa tamang proseso at kung sakali po ay neutralize po natin sila kaagad-agad. Para hindi na po maulit itong ganitong bagay. Pasensya na po at hindi po natin pwedeng i-divulge yung mga ganitong information.
Okay.
Oo, sa